The monsoon season brings rain, and plenty of it. The forest younglings embrace its arrival. Their internal instincts compel them to dance. And dance they do. Impressive indeed. This magical occurrence ensures they will rest well when darkness falls. Meanwhile, at higher elevations, the temperature plummets, creating a fluffy, yummy snack for the bear cubs. Snow provides all the elements needed to learn to climb, build snow caves, and defend territory. While despite the inevitable oopsie, they are most comfortable and happy at one in the wild.